Good morning, ladies. Good morning, Chloe. Chloe's really not a morning dog. Good morning, Chloe. Chloe. Good morning. Chloe. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside, Chloe? Or do you wanna sleep the rest of the day? Chloe. Oh, look at that face. It's a face only a mother could love. Big stretch. Good morning, Desi. Good morning. Good. Oh, does that feel good? Right there, right there. Oh, yeah. Right there. Oh. Chloe. Good morning, Chloe. Chloe. Hey, you want a treat? You want a treat? You want a red ball? Chloe, you want a red ball? Ooh, is that movement? You want a ball? Red ball? You want your red ball? Who wants a red ball? I think that did it. She's up. Good morning.